My name is Rachel Sanchez. I've been at NorthShore a little over 10 years now, and I'm our Chief Operating Officer. Our core values really are at the heart of everything we do here. I think they're seen in individual interactions every day, but also as an organization, that's how we decide where we want to go in the future, what clinics should we open, what services should we provide, and how do we make sure everybody's getting that care that they all deserve. NorthShore makes healthcare accessible in a lot of different ways. We try to make sure we're where our patients need us, so that's why we've expanded over the last few years and continue to make sure we're there for our patients. We're really big on same-day appointments. If you're sick, you probably can't wait to get in. You had to miss work already, so how can we help you get there? We show compassion in everything we do. A lot of times your healthcare is driven by more than just that appointment. It happens beyond the walls, so how can we make sure we get you what you need to make sure you are healthy? We have our Gene Fund program, and so if a patient, for whatever reason, can't afford something outside of our walls, I always like to say, maybe you need an MRI. We don't have that here in our facilities, but maybe you need it for whatever reason to figure out your next path. We'll help provide that because our staff have given back. They give to the Gene Fund so we can provide those type of services. That definitely drives who we are as an organization, how we decide where to go, the services we provide. I think all comes from a place of compassion. We want the best for our communities, the best for our patients. I think NorthShore tries to empower patients and staff in similar but different ways. So definitely we want to make sure we're giving everybody what they need at the end of the day. I think too, empowering them to, if you want to be more, if you want to be a leader in the organization, how do we kind of help you get there? How do we help empower you? And then I think it's the same for patients, figuring out what their end goal is and then helping them get there and making sure they have the tools that they need to be able to reach that. NorthShore always tries to be innovative in everything we do, so definitely we want to make sure we have the best equipment we can. We've added mammography over the years at a few locations, and we want the best state-of-the-art technology there. We recently got a grant for intraoral scanners for dental, so we're able to kind of make that shift and make sure we're providing the best care we can there. There's a lot of different programs that come about that we are always willing to try, even if it's new to healthcare, new to us. I think we're always willing to see if it works, see if it benefits our patients, and try it out. I think collaboration is at the core of what we do. We have so many different services that we provide for our patients, and it all really starts at primary care, but then your teeth are a huge part of your health. So there's a lot of collaboration between primary care and dental, or we have a lot of pregnant patients that come through our doors. So that pregnancy dental care is a big piece that can be hard sometimes at outside facilities, but it's really nice because internally our providers collaborate, and then you have your baby and you need a pediatrician, and we can continue that path too. So I think there's a lot of just natural collaboration that goes on amongst our different specialties. So NorthShore strives for excellence every day in our interactions with our patients. We try to make sure we are giving the best customer service we can, and then also the best care that we can. So patients leave our facilities feeling like they have what they need, they were well taken care of, and they can be on a better path for their health care. And then I think too, as an organization, we strive for excellence. We recently were awarded through HRSA for having a perfect site visit, and just trying to make sure we're on top of all the different things we need to be on top of so everybody has a great experience when they come.